You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, I believe this is the left-hand door. I've taken that off, right? And this is the curved piece. This looks like a sacrificial anode that we use on ships, a piece of zinc. I don't actually know what it is. I'll probably wash it up and see if any of this powdery crap comes off, but that lumpiness was all of that. Whoops, all of that. And a bunch of it in there, and even more of a bunch of it in my trash can. So I don't know what the hell this was, why this is, or what this is, but that piece goes there. Like so. And I'm wondering, god damn it. I'm wondering, once I clean this up a little bit, if I can use it as is without having to pat it. I mean, there's a little bit of a difference in height, but I'm going to wash this up, see what it is, do some research. Just odd. Yep. Here's the other side, and like the one I just undid, these have lumpies as well. So I think that what I was looking at in the other video was bondo, as a matter of fact. Yeah. I mean, it came apart in pieces, and certainly there's a backing to it. So I'll keep on doing some research tonight. I'm going to recover these tomorrow. As you can see, I've got fasteners to replace on these as well. But yeah, we'll see. This is the right side. I believe it to be. Yeah, it's got to be. And you can see quite a bit of wear on here. Yeah. Well, I'll get to it. Okay, I've got some dry rot on this one. So I'll likely remove as much dry rot as I need to and fill that in with tiger hair. The rest of this isn't so bad, actually. Yeah. And some staples to remove. And the same covering as the other one. I've since found out that this is cast aluminum and not zinc. So I've got whatever that stuff is to remove. And that won't be tough. I took the other one literally to my kitchen and scrubbed it all the junk, not knowing what I was in for. I see it just comes off, so don't know what that is. I think I read somewhere it's just a piece of wood as a tack strip, but it's not wood. Yeah. So, some more work to get done. So I'm about to mix up some of this stuff. I've been saying tiger hair for some of the stuff I've been using in the past. It's a name brand like Kleenex would be for facial tissues. Bondo makes the same stuff. So you take fiberglass resin, you mix in short strand fiberglass to it, the cream hardener, and what you get is a really good product for exactly this kind of thing. So I've gotten rid of all of the dry rot. Left myself a little bit of a U shape and some there. I'm going to mix up that stuff there and literally press it into this. I've got a fastener here, an odd, I don't know why it was there, but fastener there, so I'll take care of that later. What I'll likely do is drill the holes again, and then sink what do you call it, a bolt into it as a captive fastener, and then use this stuff here to cement it in. So, yeah, I'll mix this stuff up and put it in. I've got this more or less together. You can see I've countersunk a couple of machine screws. What I was reading online talked about wood screws, and I countersunk these two bolts. Nuts. Can I just dork that up? And I am not displeased. And the same thing with the back there. Okay, so the back, it's flat. It doesn't look pretty, but it's flat, so that's what the tack strips will go on against. The tack bits will go on against. Let me sit down. So what you're looking at here is, you can see there's a difference in the plane. Okay, that's where this comes in. In the winter months, I stop any car work and MGA work and go into my model railroad, and this is what 1/4 inch cork road bed, which I'm going to, it comes apart too. See, and you can see it's beveled and yada yada yada. A lot of guys will just do this and have something right down the center, and you've got a simulated road bed. Okay, what I'm going to do is glue this on in bits, right? And this stuff, by the way, is very foldable. It's very bendable, and obviously it doesn't take up the whole thing. So what I'll probably do is put 2 of these together and then cut off the excess on the edges. All right, awfully easy, kind of fun too. This stuff I love doing. I'm gonna have not a lot of work to do left on this one. I need to put the bolts in there. That also will be easy. I'm likely to, I might drill from this end here and countersink a couple bolts. I'm pretty good at that now, so that they hang on the door where they need to. You can also see where I have filled up that area there with that this stuff here, bondo here. Yeah, there's the other one down there, and this stuff is strong, and I use that with a capital S and bolded strong. This stuff is strong, so you can make this even prettier by sanding it down and yada yada yada. So I'm gonna kind of see once I put the strips on here on the back, I will gauge what I've got for attaching bolts. Yep. Okay, so I'm done with all of my stuff. This piece I'm done with. The corner pieces I'm done with. The front bow I'm done with. I need to fix something on the side there. That's going to be easy. But I'm ready to vacuum, get rid of all the adjustment pieces and so on and so forth, and you know, get my rest of the interior together. I haven't tied these down very hard yet. There's still some play here and there to do to adjust and tighten down. So that's for. But like I say, I've got it done. My doors are done too. I just don't have them on picture, on video. Yeah. So I will probably put the door openers into the doors, and they're hanging there. And then I'll be able to put the doors on. That'll be the last thing I do, because you know it's going to be easiest that way. But yeah, I'm done with my interior, except for the seats. And my seats are in there. Yep, cool.